أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين الرسول آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير
لينفق ذو سعة من سعته ẹni Ọlọ́run bá fún lówó kó fi fún Olúwa. Assalamu alaikum. Ìjọ Risalatul Haq Society International ló fi àsìkò yìí ké sí gbogbo mùsùlùmí òdodo olójú àánú ọlọ́rẹ̀ láti dá sí iṣẹ́ dáwà yìí Risalatul Haq Dawa Project, èyí tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ láti kọ́ ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ìgbàlódé ti ẹ̀sìn Islam àti ti ẹ̀kọ́ Western Education. Kódà boarding tún wà ń bẹ̀ àti day eléyìí tí yóò gbé ẹ̀sìn Islam lárugẹ. Bákan náà Risalatul Haq Dawa Project yìí yóò tún ní ilé ìwòsàn tí wọn yóò ti máa tọ́jú àwọn ènìyàn bí Ọlọ́run ti ṣe tó àti sunna nabi Muhammad tó bá wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀. ayyuhal ikhwan fillah, ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi nínú ẹ̀sìn, iṣẹ́ dáwà rẹ o, iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run rẹ, ẹ jẹ́ àjùmọ̀ ṣe 200 million naira project ni for a start láti fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà. eléyìí tó máa jẹ́ ti ìgbàlódé tí ó sì jẹ́ gbajúgbajà. ẹ jẹ́ agbárùkù ti Risalatul Haq Dawa Society International láti bá a kọ́ hospital àti ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ìgbàlódé ẹ̀sìn Islam àti ti Western Education náà. Wema Bank PLC tẹ́ máa sanwó sí rẹ̀ o 02238649937 02238649937. Risalatul Haq Dawa Society International ní orúkọ tó wà níbẹ̀. Wema Bank ni o kọ́nà ọba aláàkógbà ní ìbáàdà fún wa. Fún àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ ẹ pè 0802800999 0802800999. مع السلام.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا صراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen. I greet every one of us that are with me tonight and those that will join us later. Likewise, those that will watch the video after this program. I say unto you, the free thinkers, the Christians, the traditionalists or idol worshippers, and the atheists. I say unto you, may the peace of the Lord be upon you all. I say unto the Muslims all over the world that are with me right now, and those that join us later, and those that watch the video after today, I say unto you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mo kí gbogbo àwa tí a wà lórí ètò ní àṣálẹ́ yìí àti àwa tí a máa pẹ̀lú wa tó bá tún yá. Mo kí ata jẹ́ Muslim, mo kí ata jẹ́ Christian, mo kí gbogbo àwọn alágbàlá ayé nísìn àti ní ìgbà tá a tún máa wo fídíò náà pé kí àlàáfíà Ọlọ́run kí wọ́n bá gbogbo agbé. Mo á kí ata jẹ́ Muslim pé assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Tonight's topic, I would say, is a serious matter or a serious issue on ground. Although I've decided not to say anything before now because I'm still looking for some things or doing my researches. But presently, I'm done with it. Because the site I've been looking for, I've gotten it right now. And I'm going to direct each and every one of us to that site to see things by yourself. Wọ́n ní mi fẹ́ dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tẹ́lẹ̀. But ìgbà tí mo wá rí ibi tí mò ń wá gangan ló ṣe omi kí n dá sí. Even the issue of our father in Islam, Professor Lakin Akintola, with before I saw some write-up between Professor and Fani Kayode back maybe I think around last month or 2 months ago. But lately, there's another write-up by one so-called a Muslim brother. But well, I don't know him. And I'm not even sure the name ever existed in Islam. That very guy. But before I even go to that, I'd like us to understand one thing. That Amotekun is a security outfit according to what we were told. It is good anyway. It is good, yeah. It's a good idea. But why now? That's my bone of contention. Why now? At least we've been battling with this Boko Haram issue for long. For long. Since when now? Almost 10 years ago. Buhari came to power in 2007 or 15. 2015. We were with Boko Haram issue before he came in as a president of Nigeria. Another issue now came up with that of S-men, Fulani S-men. I kept on saying it, and I'll keep on saying it, that the most ungovernable country is Nigeria. Nigeria is not easy to govern. So difficult because we are not truthful to ourselves. Religious issue is another thing entirely that we are battling with. Anything Nigeria has to do, either you are a Muslim or you are a Christian, there is no neutrality in any of issue in Nigeria. You have to attach either being a Muslim or being a Christian to it. Why should that be? Why must we allow religion to separate us in this country? People can practice what they love because we are in a free world. In Nigeria, Nigeria is a multi-religious state. The same right that the Muslim has, the same right the Christian has, even the traditionalists, even the free thinkers. We have the equal rights, but not in Nigeria. Not in Nigeria. You either be a Muslim, you have your way out, or you are a Christian, you have your way out. If a Christian is an office, he will favor the Christians more than anybody first, before anybody. Likewise, some Muslims as well. Why should that be? The same thing is being attached to this Amotekun issue. And that is what Professor Lakin Akintola has envisaged. That the outcome of this thing will not favor the Muslims at all. That's why I was clamoring for peace to reign in Nigeria. But some people took it as if Professor Lakin Akintola does not want Amotekun to exist in Nigeria or in Yoruba land. Why should that be? Professor Akintola is a peaceful, well-coordinated man in Islam. He's a professor of Arabic and Islamic study. A professor of Arabic and Islamic study. So he knew what he was talking about. He's here to defend Islam and the interests of the Muslims in Nigeria. Professor Lakin wala ti daluru at all. At all. Professor Lakin Akintola, ẹni tó dáa ni tí wọ́n lè tẹ̀lé in Islam. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá táwa wà o, mi mọ̀ bòmí o. He always fight for the right of the Muslims. That is why he has gotten an organization. Talk with muric, Muslim Rights Concern. And he has a logo. I remain oppressed until the poor are being fed. Mo tún mẹ́ni. Mo jẹ́ nìkan báwo mo ṣe ọgọ́rí fẹ́ mo ṣe fẹ́ tún Yorùbá ni kó lè yé wa. Nítorí sọ ni pé inú mi ò ní dùn. Ó dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹnìkan tẹ ẹ̀tọ́ tèmi mọ́lẹ̀ nígbà tí àwọn òtòṣì títí dìgbà tí àwọn òtòṣì fi máa rí ẹ̀tọ́ wọn gbà. Ìtumọ̀ ènìyàn náà. I remain oppressed until the poor are fed. Now, let me show you some things. He has fought for several issues that the non-Muslims has waged against the Muslims in Yoruba land, even in Nigeria as a whole. You can read everything on net. You can go to his blog and check the issues. Look at the issue of Farida on hijab. Look at what happened in Ibadan when they are writing exam on Friday, a day that was supposed to be for Jumat. Look at when WAEC posted one of the subjects on Friday during the Jumat service. They knew quite all right that that period is for the Muslims to observe their prayers. But those that are in charge are not Muslims. Most of them are Christians. Most were Christians. Look at the issue of hijab. Before we are able to win the case from the court. Look at how what he did. His own portion, his own contribution towards that. How can somebody now come out today and said Professor Lakin Akintola is a sadist or a Confucianist? No. How does that qualify this professor? I don't know. And this very guy, I'm going to read his write-up that I wrote against Professor Lakin Akintola on one of the social media net news. When I saw the write-up, I was so furious. What was all this rubbish? But the problem is, there are some people that are not Muslims. I said that's Nigerian system. That is Nigerian system. I'm in support of peaceful coexistence of Nigeria. I will not be a party to division in Nigeria. That Nigeria should go, Igbo should go on their own, Yoruba should go on their own. Now, I will not be party to that. Because being a Nigeria, we are being addressed as giants of Africa. The most populous country in Africa is Nigeria. And we are able to achieve some things. Even though there are some things we are lacking a lot. But that does not mean being a giant alone is enough. Then gradually we'll get ourselves. Now, I said Nigeria is the most ungovernable country that I've ever seen in my life. I don't know either our coalition is the problem. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and other tribe. Mi ò bóyá ìṣòro ta ni. Pé Yorùbá, Hausa, Igbo kájọ wà pọ̀. Mi ò bóyá ìṣòro wa o. Torí Nàìjíríà ṣòro rúlu gan o. Mo ti sọ dáadáa. Ipa tí Professor Lakin Akintola ti kó nínú Nàìjíríà. Òun ló lọ lọ́ọ̀kan yẹn. Ṣọ́rọ̀ ìjáàbù ní ká sọ ni. Àbígbà táwọn WAEC fi exam síjọ́ Friday. Tọ́wọ̀n kò mú sí máa lọ kírun. Wọ́n kò mú sí máa lọ kírun o. Wọ́n fi síjọ́ Friday. Why? Kí ló dé? Ṣé gbogbo alámọ̀ pé school gbọ́dọ̀ close ní 1. Gbogbo school gbọ́dọ̀ close ní 1. Ẹ ṣe máa ń fi exam sí 1 to 1:30 or 2 to 2 o'clock. Àwọn tó máa ń sábà ṣe kí ni àwọn tó máa jẹ́ Christian ni. Ṣé yẹn dà bẹ́ẹ̀? Gbogbo àjọ ní Nàìjíríà ni now. Nigeria belongs to everybody. Not the Christian alone. Not the Muslim alone. Not even the idol worshippers alone. We are all together. Àjọ wà pọ̀ ni. Àjọ wà pọ̀ títí láéláé ni. A lè sá fúnra wa. Bóyá ká lè manage ara wa ṣá. Ó yẹ ká lè manage ara wa. Where am I heading to is this. As a Muslim, one need to be a cautious Muslim. You need to accept Islam wholeheartedly. That's what Allah said in the Quran chapter 2, verse 208. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allah said, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, oh you believe, idkhulu fi silmi kafatan. Surrender your life, your will unto Allah. Surrender everything you have for Allah. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbàgbọ́ ju ayé lẹ̀ fọ́lọ́run ní ti yányán. Allah said, wala tatabi utu abi shaitan inna lakum aduwwun mubin. Do not subject yourself or any part of your life to shaitan, to Satan. Ẹ má fira yín lẹ̀ fi ṣù rárá o. Because inna lakum aduwwun mubin. Satan is an open enemy unto you. So a Muslim must love Islam. A Muslim must be able to defend the integrity of Islam. Muslim gbọ́dọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀sìn. ó lè gbọ́dọ̀ máa defend ibi tó bá ti pàdé ẹ̀. So I will not be in this world and Islam will be as if like a filthy rag in my presence. No, I will not concur to that. Never. Mi ní lajú mi ilẹ̀ kí a máa jẹ Islam kí ni máa wòran. They are not a Muslim then. If you are a Muslim, you need to love Islam as you ought to be loved, like your own property, personal property, your personal property. That was Islam. Allah said in Quran chapter 58, verse 22. Quran 58, 22. Look at what Allah said. This is how every Muslim should be. This is how every Muslim, and this is how Prof. Lakin Akintola is. You must love Islam and have zeal for Islam. Allah said, you will not find any people, anybody, that believe in Allah, tó gba Allah gbọ́, and the last day àti ọjọ́ ìkẹyìn, loving those who resist Allah and his messenger. Kó wá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ẹni tó gbógun ti Ọlọ́run àtòjíṣẹ́. You don't get that point. You will never see a believer, a Muslim, that will love anybody that is against Allah and his prophets. How do you against Allah? By condemning, by saying no to what he has commanded us. Allah cannot be seen. Muhammad died long years ago. So, what they left behind is the Quran and the authentic hadith. So if you see anybody lying against the Quran and the authentic hadith, and you love such person, you are not a Muslim. You are not a Muslim. That's what Allah said in this verse. Quran 58, verse 22. Allah said, you never find anybody who believes in Allah and the last day, the day of judgment, the day of accountability, loving those who resist Allah and his messenger. Kọ́ wá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ẹni tó takò Ọlọ́run, tó takò jíṣẹ́ lórí irọ́. Even look at the criteria now. Even though they were their fathers, wọ́n lè jẹ́ bàbá ẹ̀, not their sons, àbí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, not their brothers, àbí àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, àbúrò ẹ̀, or their kindred, àbí àwọn ìbátan. For such, ṣé wàá láwọn tá à ń sọ yìí o? Such is, he has written faith in their heart. Àwọn ilé ìlà ti fi gbàgbọ́ tó jinlẹ̀ sí lọ́kàn. That's Professor Akintola now. You ought to be in the same shoe with him. Because if anybody kept silent, as we are keeping silence now, nobody wants to be heard against anything in Nigeria. I kept on saying it. Before the advent of Buhari in Nigeria, there are cattle rearers. Buhari has ruled Nigeria in the past. Have you forgotten? 1983 to 1985. You forgotten the story? Buhari and Idiagbo ruled Nigeria. Buhari has never changed his identity. He has never changed his tribe. Buhari is a Fulani man to the core. He's from Daura in Katsina State. And cattle rearing has been existing in Nigeria even before our independence. Hundreds of years back, they've been rearing cattle in Nigeria. We've never heard about any cattle rearer or any Fulani man ever attack any farmer in Nigeria? Never. Go and bring your record. Even when Buhari was head of state, or don't we know that it was Fulani then? Nothing of such has ever happened in Nigeria. No S-men. We have Fulani alone. No Fulani S-men. But when Buhari came to power in 2015, I told you, Nigeria is the most ungovernable country. If you are not sensible, you'll be left alone with whatever policy you might draft for yourselves, or your party might draft for you, because we don't love one another in this country. That's the bitter truth. I told you when Obasanjo was there in 1999, we have OPC. The major problem we have been facing then was OPC all over. I said, is it possible? Even Yoruba had an adage. Wọ́n ní ọmọ oníṣẹ́ ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká fi lẹ̀gẹ̀ sí di ọmọ ẹlòmíì. I don't know how I can interpret that in English anyway. Ọmọ ẹni kò ní ẹmọ ẹni oníṣẹ́ ní bẹ̀rẹ̀. That okay, which means no matter how bad your son or your child might be, you cannot love another person's child more than yours. That's just the meaning of ọmọ ẹni oníṣẹ́ ní bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kábílẹ̀ sọ́dí ẹlọ́mọ ẹlòmíì. When Obasanjo was there in 1999, 2007, what happened? What happened? War. OPC all over. Fighting here and there. Causing trouble so here and there. When Obasanjo left, no more OPC. Are they not still existing? Are they still fighting one another? Are they still causing trouble all over the place? No. Because the man in power is no more a Yoruba man. You can imagine that. Why are they being silent? Because they are no more in power? So they will not like their son to rule Nigeria when we are having 3 sects: Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. So whenever Yoruba is in power now, his people will destroy his government. Is that reasonable enough? When Buhari now came as a president, elected president, in 2015, now comes in Fulani S-men. There are no more Fulani cattle rearers. They are now Fulani S-men. No reason now. Can they be Fulani? Can they be Fulani? Of course they are not Fulani. They are not Fulani. I can bet you they are not Fulani. If anybody got arrested, they cannot be Fulani. They'll be another race entirely, another tribe in this same Nigeria. So that Buhari will not have the glory of ruling Nigeria successfully. Look at when Obasanjo was there, the same thing happens. Is that not? Of course. It will happen. I said, why now Amoteku? Why now? And Buhari has been there. We've been battling with Fulani S-men for the past 4 years in Nigeria. Buhari used 4 years the first time. Another 4 years now. Amoteku is now the issue. Want to save the Yoruba land. Fine. It's a good idea. But will it be the same thing as OPC of Obasanjo era? It's our own turn now. And the funniest part is this. If truly Amoteku is pure and neutral, if it has no religion donation or something undertone, if it has no religion undertone, why now? At least in 2015 up to 2019, 4 good years of Buhari in power. We have in Lagos State, Ambode, a Christian. We have in Ogun State, Amosun, Ibukun Amosun, a Muslim. In Oyo, we have Ustazjamiu, a Muslim. We have in Kwara, Ahmedi, a Muslim. We have in Oshun, Aregbesola, a Muslim. We have what other states? We have Ekiti Christian. We have Ondo Christian. Now, let us count. I just want us to do the statistics. Why now? Why now? Ogun Muslim. Lagos Christian. Oyo Muslim. Ondo Christian. Ekiti Christian. Oshun Muslim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What other state? Kwara Muslim. And Edo, I think it's part of Yoruba land anyway. Edo Christian. Now, in 15 up to 19, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Muslim, 4 in number in Yoruba land. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Christian. We are 4. Why not the issue of Amotekun then? Why not then? At least we're battling with Boko Haram. No Amotekun issue. Buhari came for good 4 years. We'll be battling with both Boko Haram. Was it not the same period that they kidnapped some children in Atikorodu here? The same period we experienced Bado in Lagos State. That they killed almost everybody in Ikorodu. Why not Amotekun then? Why now? Because now we're having Ogun Christian governor, Lagos Christian governor, Oyo Christian governor, Ondo Christian governor, Ekiti Christian governor, Oshun Muslim governor, Kwara Muslim governor, Edo Christian governor. So out of 8 governors in Yoruba land, we have just 2 Muslims. They have 6 Christians. No, I'm not saying Amotekun is for the Christian. No, I'm not saying it yet. I'm not saying that yet. But all of us will judge what's going on. If truly what Prof. Lakin Akintola is fighting for is right or wrong. For the novice among the Muslims that are even supporting that guy, unknown person. That Prof. Akintola is too this, is too that. Because you are not a good Muslim. You don't love Islam. You don't love the Muslims. Because you don't know the mission of others. Nah, Prof, it's good to be a politician. I don't doubt it. Because if you are not be there, you join them. But we need to be on the lookout to save Islam in Yoruba land. I don't say Amotekun is bad. I don't say that. But my fear is for Islam and for the Muslims and for Yoruba himself. Because we know what we experienced during Obasanjo era. If Yoruba was able, I mean, if Yoruba is able now to become the next president of Nigeria, Amotekun will be another thing entirely. We are not the one fighting. You don't get my point. Not the establisher. We are the one who fights now, the government, or will destroy the peace of the nation. But another tribe will troop in, will be an Amotekun in disguise, and they forfeit our mission. We need to be on the lookout, and we cannot caution it. We cannot stop it. That's Nigerian system. If Hausa happens to be another president, Amotekun will die there. They will not operate anything. They will not be in an operation. That's Nigeria now. You need to study your country. You need to study your country. Nigeria is a study. In fact, God love Nigeria. I can say more than any other nation in the world. Why? Most of the things happening all over the world does not affect us at all. We are not affected. Look at all this what's it called? Coronavirus issue. We even add drama. That is, you can check all our social media. We are not concerned. Because all of other things are to us. We've adapted to some things. We are not bothered. That's why I kept on wondering if Nigerian government can seal Nigeria not to go out. Nigeria, not to do what? In fact, maybe if they allow army, not police, or police cannot do it. They cannot do it. Army, to mount army all over every street. On each street, don't go out or don't go more than this place. But I know the downfall driver. They will make sure they work in the morning. From 4 a.m. to 7, when army will come out, they will not go back. That's Nigeria for you. We are so blessed. But our problem is internal problem. We don't love one another. The Igbo don't love the Hausas. The other don't love the Yorubas. We don't love one another. We only love ourselves during politics. To campaign. Vote for us, so we will do it. It's all mere propaganda, lies. Now, let me now go to, I've told you, Brother Lakin Akintola is. It's a very good man to the call. But when I saw the write-up, and what prompted Brother Akintola to rise against this Amotekun issue is this. I went to their website. I've been signing for it. I got it today. When I saw the requirement of recruiting members, I was so furious. What was this rubbish? If truly what they wrote there is right, no. A Muslim will never agree that to happen in Nigeria. Unless it can be changed or to be amended. Let me read the write-up of the the reason why Prof. Akintola is against it's not that it doesn't want security to be in Nigeria or to be for Yoruba. No, it was only protecting the interest of the Muslims, which is right. We are Yoruba now. We are Yoruba, and if prevention it was like that, then we are affected. We'll be in minority in that group, which is not right. If Christians are 10 in number, Muslims should be in 10 in number, and the atheists must be in 10 in number. But will not be allowed to worship Ogun or worship Oya or Shopono. All these Yoruba deities, we will not be allowed to worship that. Because our religion go against it. Tó bá yẹ kí Amotekun ta fẹ́ dálẹ̀, a máa bọ Ògún, a máa bọ Ọya, bọ Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná, àwọn oníbà yín bọ o. Who is this? Àní bá yín bọ yẹn o. Àní bá yín bọ Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná. Àní bá yín bọ Olókun. Because that is what made OPC back then. Not to suffer any longer, because they worship idol. They worship all sorts of things. What does security outfit need to do with idol? Idol worshiping. What? Kí ló ní ṣe pé a fẹ́ lọ bọ Ògún? A fẹ́ lọ bọ Ọya? Ògún tá a bọ tó yìnbọn fi kó alẹ́ rú. Àbí? Ògún tá a bọ. Bá ṣe lágbára tó àṣẹ lọ fèsì àfi lọ Sambisa. Àbí? Kí là ń bá ká? A ṣe máa bọ Ògún torí ṣé òyìnbó ń bọ Ògún ni? Tó fi kó alẹ́ rú. Ṣé òyìnbó ń bọ Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná tó fi kó alẹ́ rú? Òyìnbó never worship anything now. They don't worship idol. They don't worship idol. They might have some things that they do, but it doesn't affect the ruling of their country. wọn ò ní ever gbé ohun tó ń bọ sórí kọ́ wá fi ṣèlú wọn ṣebí China ṣe mọ́ ń bọ̀ ṣá China wọ́n lọ China rí kó wọ́n pé òòṣà ló dẹ̀kù kọ́ máa fi jẹ́ tó máa ṣe wọ́n máa bọ̀ òòṣà lọ àìkọ́lọ́pọ̀ máa lọ dúró ń dí ògùn pé tó jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ bọ̀ ògùn náà kí tó gbé bọ̀ dání ìyẹn that must not be a part of it at all. A Muslim must not worship anything than Allah. Agbọ́dọ̀ sọ kan ju Ọlọ́run nìkan lọ. So Amotekun issue is an issue on its own. The formation alone is an issue. The requirements is an issue as well. Let me read the requirements from their website. From their website. Because people don't understand the mission of Prof. Lakin Akintola. They don't know. No, what has he got to gain? If he has destroyed Amotekun, what has he got to gain? What has he got to gain? Prof. Akintola cannot be bribed. I can vouch for him. I can vouch for him. Prof. Lakin Akintola can never be bought over. Let's move about any bribe go about lie. See what happened when his one of his son was about to get married. Can you do that? You're a professor. She want low any. He has the money. Why must I waste money on these fetchy things? I'm on millions really for what? You just compare can't get busy. That's a good leader. If you don't know, he's a good leader. Now let me read the requirements. You can go to their website. It will be, I think, maybe they will screenshot or it's there. Now, look at it. Requirements. You can see the logo. That's Amotekun logo. These are the requirements of Amotekun from their website. From their website. That's the logo. But these are requirements. Now, requirements and eligibility to join Operation Amotekun security outfit. I read on. If you are interested in joining the security force, see eligibility criteria you must meet below. However, only qualified candidates will be shortlisted for training, which is normal. If you are not qualified, you go away. 1. Candidates must have first school leaving certificate. That's WAEC, which is normal. You must have your WAEC. Is that not? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that's primary school. Yeah, that's primary school. Primary 6. Then, secondary certificate. That's WAEC. Or you write NECO or GCE. Likewise, NAPTEP, A level, which is normal. Because you cannot absorb some illiterates that put on uniform and be holding gun. They will just shoot anyhow because they don't understand what they are even after. It's good. Those ones are okay. Now you must have a national diploma, ND, which is good. National diploma, HND, which is good as well. Bachelor degree or its equivalent, which is good as well. Now, the problem is this. Birth certificate from church, local government or hospital. That's the problem. And the same thing is affecting, if you go to CAC, this one, okay, yeah, I remembered. I remember when we were about to register organization back then, the form were given on that column. You can check it. Maybe it's been corrected, I don't know. I'm talking about 10, 15 years ago. Because in the column, association, organization, church is there. Church is boldly written. You either mark church or I'll say organization. There's no mosque there at all in CAC form. CAC, what's the meaning of CAC? Corporate Affairs Commission in Abuja. Go and check it. I don't know if it's been corrected now. But as far back as 15 years ago or more, church is specifically written. Church specifically written on that form. Association, organization, or church. You can imagine church. So why church? Why not mosque as well? Why not a shrine? Or are they not being registered? So they categorize Islam traditionalists, atheists under organization. But church is not an organization on its own. Is that not? Go and check it. If I'm lying, you can testify to it. I collected the form in Abuja. I went to Abuja myself to register the organization with the lawyer. I signed the forms. Church is part of it. Church. I tick organization. There's no mosque in there. No mosque at all. I don't know if they've corrected this now. If you want to pay, nígbà tí mo ka requirement àtúmájọ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lọ, mo wá rí tí wọ́n sọ pé òun lẹ́wọ̀n ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n wá sọ pé kéèyàn tó lè jẹ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, ó máa ní certificate OND, ó máa kàwé díẹ̀, fine. Kò sí ó dẹ̀ kàwé pọ̀, kò sí wàhálà. Wọ́n wá ní ó máa ní bá certificate ìwé ọjọ́ òbí, ó máa gbà láti ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì àbí local government àbí hospital. Mọ́ṣáláṣí ò ní mí nì. Ṣé mọ́ṣáláṣí wà ń bí? Ṣé lady wà ń bí? Àbájọ́ ń ṣèlú kọ́ ni. Ṣé àwọn tó máa lámọ̀tẹ́kùn yẹn Muslim ò ní sínú wọn àbí? Wọ́n àti òye sí lọ gbọ́ mọ́ṣú lọ́tà àrẹ́tọ̀ lọ ìmọ̀ọ́mù ìlú yín àbí ìmọ̀ọ́mù ilé yín. Wọ́n á ní lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tó bá mi ò mọ̀ bá ti change ẹ̀ ń sìn o. Ìgbà táwọn register organization ti wá back 15 years ago. Ìtọ́ wọn fún ìgbà tí mo gba fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn l'Abuja. Nǹkan mẹ́ta ló wà lórí ẹ̀. Association, organization àti church. Wọ́n wonder pé bó náà fi mosque sí mbẹ̀, bó náà fi Islam sí mbẹ̀, kò sí mbẹ̀ o. Bó ti change yẹn sí mi ò mọ̀ o. Ṣé gbé ó ti wà tipẹ́? Wọ́n ò consider to be anything. Wọ́n ò dẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe. Look at Nigerian passport. Look at Nigerian passport. At least we go for Hajj every year. There's no single Arabic text in Nigerian passport. Back then and now, I have a passport. There is no single Arabic text in Nigerian passport. Look at how we are being marginalized in Nigeria. Look at how we are being molested in Nigeria. Nobody could say anything. À ń lọ Hajj lọ́jọ́ ọdún. Kò sí lábọ́ ẹyọ kan nínú pálí wa. Wọ́n wá kọ French àti Portugal àti English. Ta ló sọ French? Bó ló fi French lọ́nà. Ẹni mélòó lọ sí France? Ẹni mélòó? Ẹni mélòó lọ sí Portuguese? Ẹni mélòó lọ sí Portugal ní Nàìjíríà? Ṣé Portugal àánú èdè tá a sọ Nàìjíríà ni? Ṣé a gbọ́ Portuguese? Ṣé a gbọ́ French ní Nàìjíríà? Ẹni mélòó ló ń sọ? Ṣebí English là ń sọ? English wà ń bẹ̀. Àwọn olùkọ́ wà nílẹ̀ Maiduguri. Lárúbáwá ní official language wọn pure Arabic ló ń sọ wọn gbọ́ nǹkan kan Lárúbáwá nìkan. Ní Maiduguri mẹ́ẹ̀, even ní Bauchi, ní Borno. There are some villages in Borno, in Bauchi, that are speaking Arabic fluently. They don't understand English, no Yoruba, no Portuguese, no French. But they are not being considered as a Nigerian. There's no Arabic test in Nigerian passport at all. Nobody could say anything. That is what Professor Lakin Akintola is fighting for. That's our right. Okay, look at, I don't know how we rule this country. I don't know. Our rulers that are even Muslim are not even serious. If you check Nigerian record, From 1960 up to date, Muslims are in power more than the Christians. But how are we being influenced? I mean, being marginalized. I could remember when Obasanjo was about to build a national church in Nigeria, in Abuja back then, in year 2003 and 2002. 2003 or 2, I don't know. 2002. I watched it live on NTA for good 2 hours. Obasanjo was moderator on that of that program. NTA for 2 hours. Obasanjo collected 7 billion naira. Every governor in this state donated 100 million, but Tinubu did not. He told Obasanjo that I'm not a Muslim, I'm not a Christian, sorry. All Jews or Kalu did the same thing. Say I'm not a Christian, so I cannot contribute to church. Those are the 2 governors that did not pay the money. All of them pay 100 million. We have how many millions then? 34 million, 340 million. Is that not? 34 times. Yeah, 340 million. From government. Donated all that to church. Can you imagine? For church. When National Mosque of Abuja, who built the mosque? Was it the governor or the head of state? We contributed the money by ourselves. We built the mosque on our own purse. Nigeria did not build the mosque for us. A whole president now deeming fit to build a church. Those are the things Professor Akintola is clamoring for. That we have been marginalized in Nigeria. Amotekun is even coming now. Everybody kept silent. Everybody just kept silent. For us to speak out that no, this condition, this government is not all go well in our own. You cannot go to church to collect any certificates. Why must I go to church for what? So why can't I go to my mosque to meet my imam or my leader? I need a certificate of birth from this mosque. It's not there. When you go to registry, do you see any mosque there? Church. Are we in a Christian country? Of course we are not. But the Muslims are not serious. They cannot claim what belongs to them. That's what Prof. Lakin is clamoring for. And people are even kick against him. Can you imagine? Now, look at what Obasanjo did. When he was about to go in year 2014, he changed 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira, 50 naira to polymer. I'm not even calling about the polymer. But what he did was that he removed the Arabic text on the notes. Check your 50 naira. Go and check the former one. 1 naira, 2 naira. 1 naira then, 5 naira. We have Arabic text because we have Arabic speaking people in Nigeria. Naira Goma, Naira Ishirin. It was written in Arabic. So that they understand what they are spending. The money with them. But today, Obasanjo removed all those Arabic texts in the Naira. Nobody could say anything. Up till now. Look at what Akintola was agitating for. He was clamoring for our rights. To gain it back from them. But everybody just kept silent. Nobody wanted to be the part of the success. But if you now succeeded, now everybody say, we are all Muslim. Can you imagine? Munafik. Hypocrite in the highest order. Cowards. Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid? Are you not a Muslim? Did the Quran say you should not claim for your rights? Is it not that you must forget your portion in this world? Have you read the verse in your Quran? So why must we allow the case to marginalize us? The condition, we want to save ourselves, to guide ourselves from being killed by the so-called unknown herdsmen. The criterion for recruitment of a member must be that of birth certificate from a church. Muslims are there. Christians will be a member. Atheists will be a member. Traditionalists will be a member. Even Christians will be a member. Okay, if they cannot do, if Muslims cannot go to church, they must go to local government or hospital. They cannot go to mosque. Nusrat are there. Qorib is there. Ansarudin is there. Nawaruddin is there. Ahmadiyya is there. Risalatul is there. Muric is there. So you cannot go to any of the organization. Registered one to have their letterhead signed by their leader to become a member of Amotekun. We are not recognized. We are not recognized. So we must fight for our rights. This thing must be changed. It's either they remove the church, let us go to local government and hospital. That's a neutral place. Or add mosque. Mosque. If they like the tradition, they should fight with their own. That's their problem. I don't know. If they want shrine to be included, they must fight for their own right. I will not fight for your rights. I'm not concerned. I'm concerned about my own right as a Muslim. The church has gotten their own right from here. Then the Muslims also have their own rights from here. Then certificate of identification, letter of recommendation, guarantor form to be filled and submitted, and other supporting documents. Now, I now saw a write-up by one so-called, I'll read the write-up, attacking the personality of Prof. Lakin Akintola. I was so furious when I saw it. So furious, what's all this rubbish? Although I know the guy is not a Muslim, I'm very sure. He's not a Muslim. A Muslim can never write such about Lakin Akintola. Nobody. Prof. Lakin Akintola of DAWAH back then. Who are you? To attack his personality, who are you? Look at what the guy wrote. Although the guy is unknown anyway. If you go to this